Hello YouTube. Just having so much fun out in the rain today. It's VA Backpacker Dave with you. I thought, you know what? I got that USGI MSS sleep system, which includes, you can't really tell from the flash being on in here, but the woodland camo Gore-Tex Bivy. But come out here in the rain and see how it's doing. The other thing I'm going to do is check the size. So again, I'm 6'2", and can't really, it's hard to see, but I got plenty of room in here. So I'm liking this thing, and I've been laying out here. Yes, I'm a dork. I've been laying out here in the rain for, I don't know, 10 minutes, and I'm dry as a bone, which is more than I can say for that rain jacket I did my review on earlier, the one that I unfortunately had with me on my 3-night, 4-day backpacking trip in the Shenandoah back in April. Got soaked. Would have been better off with this thing with me. But I just want to let you know, 2 thumbs up from VA Backpacker Dave. I got to do it with one hand because the other one's holding the camera. This thing is definitely waterproof. I didn't even have to retreat it. I've been laying here probably over 10 minutes now, reading a book on my iPhone here, and wanted to see if it would leak. And I'm dry. And that's it. USGI, MSS, Gore-Tex Bivy. 2 thumbs up. VA Backpacker Dave out. Bye-bye.